Continuing on with day 3 notes, you'll see that we have to order the triangle angles in order from least to greatest. So it says the angles of a triangle can be put in order by comparing the sides. The smallest angle is always opposite the shortest side. The largest angle is always opposite the longest side. So if we were to use this as an example, we could see that our smallest side is 7 feet, so our smallest angle is angle A. And since we're going from least to greatest, we could put angle A first, and then 10, so that would be angle C, and then 13, so angle B is the largest. So then example 3 is just practicing that skill 4 different times. So going from least to greatest, we find the least, which is 17. So angle M is our smallest. And then 20, so angle P. And then lastly 24 is the largest, so angle N is the largest angle. Okay, so then 30 is our smallest one. 35, which is R. And then 38. Alright, so then in letter C it said that you could draw an angle or a triangle to figure out the different angle measurements, but there is a shortcut. So if you look to see, we have triangle ABC, and in here you're only given segment AB. So what letter are we missing? We're missing C. So this represents what's across from AB is angle C. For BC it would be angle A, and then for CA it would be angle B. So if I look, this is my smallest, then this one, and then 14 is the largest. So I would go in that order: angle C, angle A, angle B. So the same thing here. So angle C, angle A, and angle B. So if we look to see which is the smallest, it would be this one here, and then angle A, and then lastly this is the longest side, so this is the smallest angle, which would be 3. So angle B, A, and then C. Okay, for ordering sides, it says the shortest side is always opposite the smallest angle, and then the longest side is always opposite the largest angle. Alright, so first I need to figure out the third angle. So if we take 42 and 103, we get 108 or 145. We subtract that from 180 and we get 35, which is angle F. Then it says you want to order the sides from least to greatest. So our smallest angle would be 35. So that means that side ED is my smallest. And then 42, so angle E across from that would be DF. And then 103 is your biggest angle, and so across from that, EF is your largest side. So I go ahead and list those. Okay. And then the last 4 here is just practicing that same skill as well. So a little trick: if we know we have angle A, then across from that is the 2 other letters that we didn't include, so BC. Here we would have AC, and here we would have AB. So if we look at the smallest angle, we've got 20. That's going to be our shortest side. And then it increases to 70, and then 30. So we would have BC, AC, and AB. Okay. For the other 3, we would need to find that missing angle measurement. And So we would go ahead and add up our 58 and our 62, subtract that from 180, and it would give you 60 degrees. So once we have figured out that angle T is 60, we need to figure out which one is the smallest angle, which is U. So that means that TV would be my shortest side. Then my next number would be 62 degrees, giving us that TU is the next largest side. And then 60, oh, no, not 62. Let's go with 60. And then 62 would be the largest angle, so that would be the largest side. So we would have TV, UV, and then UT. So down in letter C, you still need to find the missing angle K. So if I add these two together, subtract from 180, I would get 92 degrees. 92 degrees, 57 and 31. So this is our smallest angle, making this the smallest or the shortest side. Then we'd have 57, so angle L. And then lastly, 92 degrees is the largest angle, making segment JL the longest side. Okay? And then lastly, to figure out angle 2, again, we're going to add those up together, subtract from 180, and we get the remaining angle measurement of 59 degrees. So our smallest angle would be 53. So our smallest side is ST. Then for 59 being the next one, we would go that this is number 2. And then 68 is the largest angle, making TV the largest side. So SV and then TV.